What the fuck?
What is happening? Oh my god, they keep coming. Look, they're all over there too. Oh my god.
I can't see him back there. What the hell?
That is insane.
They're all over there too. What is happening right now?
Oh my god.
This is-
Oh my god.
What?
What the fuck?
I'm recording in vertical. What do you think they're doing?
I don't know. Leaving us presents.
It has to be. They're like slowly starting to move now. Like they're like.
That's so crazy. Yeah, they're all leaving now.
Like you can see like slowly from the back. They're like receding
Yeah.
from the very back.
Oh my god.
You're like, look out the window right now.
I know, you normally don't care, but you have to. That is
They're
crazy.
still like over. That's definitely the craziest thing I've ever seen here.
Yeah.
Right outside our window.
Hands down, it's one of the craziest things I've ever seen in my life. That is like Alfred Hitchcock.
Look, they're just like collecting into the trees over there.
Oh my god. This is why I get feathers.
Are they down here too?
Yeah, they're all over the front. Yeah, they're like all on the front lawn. They're everywhere.
There's some on the street over there.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's so funny. There must be some good grub around here.
You think that's what it is? Or do you think they stopped because of the snow or something? Like maybe they're.
I'm just looking like they're eating stuff off the ground, so. Yeah, they're stopping for a snack and then they're gonna be on their way.
I think they do that here every year.
I've never seen this before.
But it's only. It happened all in like 5 minutes. Because you. Probably even less than that.
Yeah.
So you wouldn't even see it if it happened unless you were looking out the window.
Well, I saw them all land. That's why I was like, oh my god, you have to look. They came as fast as they left.
There they go.
Yeah,
Still
that's so funny.
one,
They're
two,
just
three,
leaving.
3, 4. There's 3 more over there. Those are the
Oh my
last
god,
ones.
stragglers.
Yeah, like they're just hanging out. They're still. They just keep coming.
Oh my god.
Coming from. They had to be sitting on the other side of the.
Oh my god. I wonder if anybody else saw that. That is crazy.
Imagine if that happened when your parents were leaving. Oh man, I don't see any more.
They're
Yeah, they're gone.
That was insane.